Morning. It is Monday, yay. And this morning we're starting work on a bathroom. This is through our Designer for a Day sessions. So follow along throughout the day to see what the outcomes are. But this single bathroom that we're working on, we'll do the plan elevations and then pick all the finishes and fixtures for the client. So here's one of the images that the client has sent me. It does have a separate WC, which I think is always quite nice, particularly if you've got a family. So this is the space that we're working in primarily here. You can see the shower tucked around the corner, vanity in the middle, and then we've got a bath over here. So this natural light that's coming in through that window, I think is just absolutely stunning. This space will look beautiful once they have finished with their reno. So stay tuned and I will keep you updated throughout the day. Hey guys, I wanted to just quickly show you what I'm working on at the moment, which is this bathroom plan. It's a nice size. The program that I'm using today is called Home Styler. It's a really good way just to quickly generate floor plan and elevations for a client, and makes it quite easy to mark up as well. But here's the really cool thing. You can go into like 3D mode. And I'll show you the reason why I think that's like really important is when I look in the 3D mode, I can see here that these tiles aren't actually applied correctly to the wall. So it's giving it a little bit of a skewed kind of understanding for the client. So that's something I need to work out how to fix this application. But I think overall, it's working out quite nicely. Ciao. So just wrapped up the bathroom design that I've been working on today, and I have been diving a little bit more into 3D renders. Let me know what you guys think.